It's July 20th. It's about 7:30. I'm inside my car because I need something to power the GoPro. And I'm about to go on like my first bike ride in like a long time to kind of see how riding across the park is going to be, because I'm planning on riding across Glacier National Park. My birthday's July 23rd, and last year for my birthday I rode across the park, which was pretty fun, and I want to do it again this year, and I might do it both ways, which would be 100 miles, so that'd be a big day. But yeah, so that's kind of the plan. That's where I'm at, and yeah, let's see what happens. I don't really know how my biking shape is right now, but I do know that this bike ride is hard. It is extremely hard. But I'm kind of banking on a couple things with that. One, I feel really good right now. I've been running, been staying active. And last year I was totally unprepared. This year's got to be better than that. Well, from going up the hill that I just came down, I feel pretty good. Probably shouldn't be doing this. Oh. Let's go ahead and walk this thing. So we're going back here to see Travis. Oh yeah? This is Travis? What is it, like 3 days of mental preparation at this point for you?
Yeah.
About
taking that time, but I'm there.
Yeah, right? We had like 15 hours of like, let's get up and do this thing.
Yeah. Mine at like 60.
Okay, I gotta go up to 115. Cool. Dude, this is a vibe. Tell the folks how you're feeling about tomorrow.
Stoked, 100%.
Travis came in clutch with all the gear too. Like all the gear. Sweet. It's about 2:30, 3 o'clock now. And I left my bike over at Travis's place. We'll pick it up in the morning. Looks like the plan is to be on the bikes at 4 o'clock, heading out. So, got a pretty good early start. Past the little town of West Glacier now.
Man, stroke is high right now.
Yeah? Well, folks, we have a predicament. And it's that sign right there. I love the taste of man-made chocolate goop in the morning.
Chocolate goop. Going, dude. I'm double packed on my full synthetic chocolate goo. Beauty day.
What'd you just say?
Beauty day. I don't know.
I thought you were speaking a different language. Travis and I decided to follow the rules this morning.
This is where we're at.
Couple good boys. Waiting behind all these cars. To the sun we go! Well, Travis is on stoke level 900 right now. It is awesome this morning. It is absolutely awesome. Happy to be riding. Of all the roads we can be on, man, this 50-mile stretch is probably, I don't know, it's the number one ride in Montana for sure. Yeah, well, we're gonna have some fun today. We're pushing about 15 to 17 miles an hour. What's up, boys? What's up? I knew I heard my name. Yeah, it's Brandon and Brendan, actually. Warmed up, eh? Yeah. I wonder how much it'll cool down by Logan Pass. Probably a lot. John's Lake Trailhead. That means we're done with Lake McDonald. What's that optimal riding position there, Travis? So about 21 miles in, that's our last downhill until we get up to Logan Pass. So I'm zooming. That's it for downhill. Now we're all up. Pretty gradual at first, and then it'll start to go. Shout out to my boy Cade.
From Butte, Montana.
Butte.
Butte.
All right, so passing through Avalanche now. This is when the climb starts.
Full of that full synthetic chocolate goo.
Glad I kept the camera on. First St. Mary sign, 34 miles. Dude, snow this early? No way. That's crazy. Oh yeah. There it is, man. Well, this spot kind of marks our climb up to the loop. First real climb. The bike ride. I may regret saying this in a minute, but this part feels easy. Which is nice. I thought I'd be hurting a lot more by now. I didn't quite get you coming around the corner, but I guess coming into the parking lot's good enough.
I still did the corner, and that's what counts, I guess.
So we've done almost 30 miles. And in that 30 miles, we've climbed from 3225 at the entrance, or actually the town of West Glacier, up to our current location, 4,298. So we've climbed about $1,000, and now we got over $2,000. No, wait, I'm bad at math. We got over $3,000 to do. Right? How much? What's the math?
Over 2.
Oh, that's $2,000. Yeah. So yeah. About
8 miles.
8 miles, man. 8 miles and what, 2,300 feet? Something like that. This road's getting steep now. It's getting the cut off sides. So, yeah, this is where it started to get hard for the guys building it. And when they first constructed the road, the initial building project took 3 guys' lives. 3 men died while making it. So hats off to those guys and to the crews that clear the road every year. Working a hard job. Oh, look at that, it's a marmot.
Oh, hey, Marvin!
Yeah, buddy. Loop is down here in that crease right off of that range. Boom, where that mountain line loops right there. So we come a long way, all the way up. There she is, man. Gonna be on top of the world up here.
Oh, yeah. We're there, man.
You're moving good, dog. Logan Pass, 6,646. Big climb.
Good job, guys.
Hey, hey, thank you, thank you. Nice work, dude.
Yeah, don't smoke, kids.
What was that?
Don't smoke, kids. It's a ride.
Yeah, it's a ride.
Ride and a half, maybe.
That's how I felt last year too. Don't worry, you'll come back stronger next year.
The worst part's done with.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
So it looks like we're actually making my bike fit me better now after we already finished all the hard stuff.
Now we figuring it out. Now we're cooking with peanut oil. Are these 2 different sizes?
It's a mount.
Will do.
As the sign says.
So we're right about here.
Rudy Poo eating a synthetic chocolate goo.
Ooh, dibs on that band name. That's a good one. Rudy Poo and the synthetic chocolate goo. Play exclusively mariachi death metal.
So for the way down, I'm just gonna run it off the other camera because it's fast and I can't be pointing this GoPro around. No way.
Ready?
Yep. not really looking for a freaking cake or presents and stuff like that. You know, I'm more looking for like, I want perspective and substance, you know? I want perspective and substance. You can leave the birthday cake at the store. It's hot on the east side over here. It's really freaking hot. I'm tired. So I'm 51 miles in, 51. Something's definitely off, so I'm gonna hydrate and eat to make sure I get things back to normal. But oh yeah, St. Mary. It's hot. It's really freaking hot. Got a little bug hitching a ride. Lazy little guy.